Okay, Sounds of Decay 2 is the new album from Corpus Offal, self-titled. From the ashes of Cerebral Rot rises Corpus Offal, the latest festering beast in the 20-buck spin stable to turn heads and stomachs across the extreme metal underground. Hailing from Austin and slated for a slot at the MDF, we're looking forward to see how they can bring this material to life or maybe to death.
Expand your vocabulary. Offal refers to organ meats, tongue, heart, liver, kidney, stomach, all of the delicacies of your finer Chinese street markets. And this debut delivers 7 cuts, well, 6 in an intro, each one steeped in grotesque grandeur and clocking in over 6 minutes.
Make no mistake, this is ugly music. Think Autopsy's doomy freakouts with the lashings of Finnish OSDM slime. Christ, it's Gary Busey's feet in open-toed sandals kind of ugly. Lyrically, we get excretions, rot, and viscera. Musically, we get majestic harmonized leads that collapse into dissonant stutters, all grunted over by amphibian-adjacent belching that somehow syncopates beautifully with nimble blast beats and monolithic trudges. Let's play a clip. This is Spinous Forms of Moral Abhorrence.
Essence of Disillusion is as a heinous specimen as any, cycling through a crunchy mid-tempo riff adorned by guitarist Ian Schwab's accomplished gurgles in an absolutely horrifying display. Drummer Jesse Shriebden shows a knack for building tension in the engine house. When the guitars go into dissonant pulse mode, particularly against the blast beats, and that slimy croaking with occasional puke stops, this music is your grandfather's unwashed sex toy kind of ugly. Corpus Offal starts off with a glimpse of Jason Sack's filthy bass tone before settling into a Demilich adjacent tempo. Guitar never really building speed with the exception of the solos, full of old school dive bombs and wild bends at exceedingly random intervals. The riff and tempo the band settles into a couple minutes in for this track is a definite disc highlight. Tight, crunchy, fortified with harmonies for an overall effect that demonstrates more toilet seat as a gas station kind of ugliness.
Not a release for your white high-top vintage overkill t-shirt kind of metal fan. This band is more geared toward the freaks that get their kicks from dudes drawing indecipherable band logos in musty basements while ignoring expiration dates. Needless to say, the vinyl with the red and white splatter is down to a handful of copies, so grab this one soon or you'll miss out. Another triumph for 20 bucks spin, plus that artwork, it's thorns, beaks, talons, and intestines kind of ugly. This is Corpus Offal.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.